seconds, I'm going to teach you more about diabetes reversal than you have probably learned in your entire life. Because most of what people are told about blood sugar is backwards. You are told to fear carbohydrates. You are told to eat smaller portions. You are told to control the spikes. But those strategies focus on controlling glucose, not fixing why glucose is high in the first place. The real problem is insulin resistance. Insulin resistance happens when fat accumulates inside muscle and liver cells. When that happens, insulin's signal gets blocked. Insulin is still present, but the cell can't respond properly. Glucose can't enter the cell efficiently, so it stays in the bloodstream. That's when blood sugar rises. Carb restriction lowers glucose temporarily because less glucose enters the system. But the fat inside the cells that caused insulin resistance is still there. The machinery never gets repaired. That's why people stay stuck managing blood sugar instead of reversing the problem. The fastest way to restore insulin sensitivity is not eliminating carbohydrates. It's reducing fat accumulation inside muscle and liver cells while increasing fiber-rich whole carbohydrates that help restore metabolic function. Fiber slows glucose absorption, improves insulin signaling, and supports the gut microbiome, which directly influences glucose metabolism. Whole foods like beans, lentils, fruits, vegetables, and intact grains deliver glucose in a controlled way while simultaneously helping clear the fat that blocks insulin signaling. At the same time, the liver begins to restore proper glucose regulation. When liver insulin sensitivity improves, fasting blood sugar drops naturally. When muscle insulin sensitivity improves, post-meal spikes shrink dramatically. That's the difference between controlling diabetes and reversing the physiology behind it. Reversal happens when insulin sensitivity returns. And when insulin sensitivity returns, carbohydrates stop behaving like the enemy. If you want the exact framework we use to restore insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar naturally, comment guide.